Good morning everyone, welcome to mathematics class. So same exercise I will continue. Last period I completed question number 26. Prove the following. Next question number 27. If in triangle ABC angle C is equal to 90 degree. Question number 27. Draw right angle triangle ABC, angle C 90 degree. So here call it as ABC, C 90 degree. So this one hypotenuse. Next, tan A is equal to, consider A is acute, so this is opposite. Yes, what about this one? Base. Yes, given that tan A, tan A is equal to 3 by 4. So ratio opposite divided by base. According to this figure, opposite, that is B here, this one B. Yes, BC by AB. Yes, BC means 3, base 4. Find the value of hypotenuse again by using Pythagoras theorem. Thus this implies AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. Therefore, the value of AB square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square, that is equal to 16 plus 9. Therefore, the value of AB square is equal to 16 plus 9, sum of these two, that is 25. Therefore, the value of AB is equal to root of 25, that is 5 units or 5 centimeters. Next, the question is, prove that LHS sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, we have to show this value is equal to 1. Sin A plus cos B plus cos A into sin B, we have to show this value is equal to 1. Sin A, opposite divided by hypotenuse, that is 3 by 5. Cos B, consider B is acute. Next, this is base, base by hypotenuse, that is 3 by 5. Plus cos A, base by hypotenuse, 4 by 5. Sin B, that is again this is opposite by hypotenuse, 4 by 5 into 4 by 5. So this is equal to 9 divided by 25 plus 16 divided by 25. Take LCM. What will get? 9 plus 16 by 25. So 25 divided by 25 gets cancels. This is equal to 1. So this is equal to right hand side, RHS. Okay, very simple. Next, before going to start question number 29, so 28th question is related to actually 10th standard lesson, that is similar triangles. So I will explain in detail in the classroom. Question number 28 I will explain in the classroom. Now I will start question number 29. Yes, in the adjoint figure, question number 29, in the adjoint figure, so rectangle, draw rectangle. Yes, A, B, C, D, here A. One of the very important property of rectangle, opposite sides are equal and all angles are equal to 90 degree, and diagonal AC is also given, that is 50. Next, C, only C, this one, that is alpha. Alpha is one of the symbol represent a angle. Thus AC is equal to 15. Given that cot alpha, given that cot alpha, cot is the ratio of base divided by opposite. Thus in right angle triangle ADC, they given C is alpha, so this is opposite. Yes, what about this one? Base. Yes, what about this one? Hypotenuse. So what they given here? 3 by 2. 3 by 2. So this is 3 and this is 2. Yes, before going to apply Pythagoras theorem, first you observe here square on the hypotenuse. So AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. What is the value of CD square? 3 square 9 plus 2 square 4. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. But what they given, that is 15. So Pythagoras theorem does not hold good. So what you have to do now? So 3 means as 3x we consider here. Here 2x. As let CD is equal to AB is equal to say 3x units, and next AD is equal to opposite to this, that is BC is equal to say 2x units. Next you apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so this implies as Pythagoras theorem AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. So AC square, that is 15 square. So the value of AD 2x whole square plus CD 3x whole square. So this implies 2x whole square means 4x square plus 9x square is equal to 225. And therefore 13x square is equal to 225. Therefore x square is equal to 225 divided by 13. Therefore x is equal to under the root 225 divided by 13, square root of 225, that is 15 divided by root 13 as it is. The value of x is equal to 15 divided by root 13. As find one by one sign. First one as AB is equal to CD is equal to 3x, that is 3 into replace x value, that is 15 divided by root 13. So this is equal to 45 divided by root 13. Next AD is equal to BC is equal to 2x, that is equal to 2 into 15 by root 13. So that is equal to 30 divided by root 13. Okay, you got AB and CD. Then similarly AD and BC values. Yes, the question is first you have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter means sum of all four sides, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. What is the value of AB? 45 by root 13, BC 30 by root 13, CD 45 by root 13, then DA, that's what is the value of DA, that is also equal to 30 divided by root 13. As root 13 is common, denominator root 13, 45, 30, 75 plus 75. So totally 150 divided by root 13 units. So this is the perimeter of the rectangle. Next coming to area. So what is the formula to find area? As length into breadth. So this is the formula to find the area of a rectangle. So length means as anyone you consider. So 30 divided by root 13 plus AD or BC. Length, breadth AB or CD, that is 40 divided by root 13. So this is equal to not 40, 45. That's 45. Next, so the product of 30 and 45. Let's multiply 40 and 35. Yes, this is equal to 45 into 3. 3 5 is a 15. 1 carry. 3 4 is a 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Put 1 0 divided by root 13 into 13. That is 13. 1350 by 13. So 13 1s are 13. Put to 0. 15 by 13. 13 3s are 39. Remaining 11 divided by 13. So area, measure in square units. So this is the area of the rectangle. So perimeter 150 divided by root 13, then area 103 whole 11 by 13 square units. So remaining questions shall continue in the next video class. Thank you.